Voilà, ça
Here is our very friendly checkpoint. Thank you very much.
I'm ready to leave City Mann.
Merci beaucoup. He's not happy. He got fucking paid a lot, and he probably cashed in from yesterday's drinks, yesterday. Probably even SIM card he cashed in. I think he's just a professional conner.
Yesterday we went, but we needed an emergency tire fix. And the guys that fixed our tire yesterday put these screws in correctly. And they still wanted this 16 euro for the repair, even though they did a really bad job. The correct spot, that is the spot I filmed. I know where is the
And the other one?
Just took the bag now. And now Mann? Get it fixed.
That was fast.
Porque perguntava. Pergunta. Que é desse que calé a praia, não se via mais. Eu vou entrevistar, ah, sei.
No.
Ah, tá de pé. Vou para tá de pé. Então que a porta do aço que a vai levar para ele.
We changed the axle to the correct side compared to the guys who did it to us yesterday. And I'm on my way. And the other side should be looking good as well. So our bike is ready, all fixed. Everything's straight and nicely changed. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. I need to repair the motorcycle. Come out to the city, get it the place where you come and repair it.
Here you go.
YouTube. Here is our very friendly checkpoint. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Have a nice day, and we continue to Abidjan.
Okay.
Merci beaucoup. Let's go.
Oh my god, this is so amazing.
You are the best officer. So we stopped at Continental Cafe. I'm really hungry, so I need to refill my energy before I get to Abidjan. Cheers, babe.
Cheers. Our food is coming in now.
Na.
And look at my omelets.
And my spinning dish. That's a highlight. Actually, I never had this in my life. I had these big buffet which you spin around, but never my spinning dish. Try to eat a French fry. I tried to dip one as well in. Man. Man, it's good.
Okay.
It's good. Man, look at that cheese. Wow. Wow. Man, this is big food porn. I'm loving it. Fuck off flies. That's my best food.
We just had an amazing meal in this continental cafe, which is in the city Mann, in Cote D'Ivoire, Ivory Coast. This is the owner, Messi, and this is the owner's wife, I understand.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. The best food. And we totally recommend it.
A bit, so they're not too dirty. Bikes to get in a good spot already.
So, I just ate.
Now we're ready to go?
Yeah, no, it's not perfectly clean, but it tastes a lot better than it was before. Well, our stickers are going up. I'm sorry, my friends. We need all.
You ready?
Yes.
We ready? Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much, and come wash your car at the Ivory Lavage. Exactly at the petrol station. Thank you very much, guys. after taking a long break from the camera and charging up things, we are in
Yamoussoukro.
Ivory Coast, Yamoussoukro. We also were searching for a cheap hotel. It wasn't the cheapest, but Fondi Hotel is actually kind of good, so I'll be back to it in a moment. So here's the entrance for Fondi Hotel. Missed the sign over there. But here's the security guard. He's meeting there. Voila. Let's go in the hotel and show you the room. And here's our security guard. He's gonna be checking our bike all night, right?
Hey.
Very cool, very cool. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup.
Oui.
Thank you.
On dit Mongbo.
Oui.
Mongbo.
Mogbo.
Bo.
Bo.
Voilà.
Mini.
Meet done.
We already unpacked. We already charging, and we already washed our socks.
It's dropping more and more this year.
Oh yeah, and something is dropping, as you can see
A lot.
from there. Maybe we have like termite problems or something. I have no clue. This is the first place in Africa that has a bath in a bathroom. But the thing is, water doesn't work here, and that is broken. When I tried to lift a little bit, lid was in my hands. And yeah, this little thing is missing too. But yeah, any other how? Good. We have hot water, we have Wi-Fi, and we have TV, and you know, like this is one of the best places, even of those minuses. Even with those minuses. So.
€1.50 for this small French fries portion. Feels like a ripoff, and no mayo or ketchup, and waited half an hour for it.
Yeah, it was long waiting time.
We're finalizing today number 32. Tomorrow we're gonna be still in Ivory Coast, and terrorists are waiting for us in Ghana, Benin, and Togo. So good night.